Hey guys, it's Jake. Well, where do I start? Well, it's my new YouTube channel. I wanna be a YouTuber, just like Fred. You know, 'cause it's fun. Yeah. But with that, let's go see. I heard a strange noise. Better get something to air myself. I'm getting scared. I know. Guitar Hero guitar. That would do. Both. Gonna beat them. What's that? I can't see much. He's too quiet. Ow. It's just a guitar back. I guess there's nothing out there. Oh, God! Well, it didn't go too good. I'm now locked in the bathroom. And it kind of stinks in here, huh? Yeah. Deodorant. Probably shouldn't use it. Okay, stinks. Oh, I probably made too much noise, but everyone might have heard me. So